Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to sync up audio in DaVinci Resolve. Every now and then when we're taking a video with a program on our computers, sometimes the audio doesn't get synced up just quite right. Don't worry though, it's a really easy fix and I'll show you how. Let's first start by dragging our video onto the timeline. And now we have to choose a moment with a very strong associated sound. So let's watch through the clip real quick. So I'd say this is a pretty good moment to choose. Like there is a very distinct sound associated with what's happening in the video. So let's zoom in as much as we can to really fine tune it. Just find the precise frame where the sound starts. Right there. So left click to select your clip, then right click, then uncheck the link clips option. So now we can freely move the audio independently of the video. Let's try to move that maybe a little to the left. But first, let's bring out our razor tool. Let's remove the first portion. And let's move it to the left. I see a peak here, and I am guessing that's the sound effect that's played. See if I may. Yep, almost. Just gotta move it a little bit more. Really line up the peak. There we go. Everything else in the clip seems there we go. Everything else in the clip seems well aligned and it looks like the issue has been solved. So all that's left to do is export this as a project short highlight. Add to render queue and render. That's it. I hope I was able to help and thank you for watching.